Yeah. No!
June 29, 2022, just after 8:30 a.m. police are called after a man, later identified as Joshua Kavoda, reportedly stabs a staff member and walks toward a nearby store with a knife. When officers arrive, body cam footage shows them giving clear commands, drop the weapon, but Kavoda refuses. Instead, he reaches into his pocket, pulls out the knife and suddenly charges at one of the officers. She falls backward as he closes in. With no time to react, a second officer fires 2 shots to stop the attack. In just seconds, a welfare concern turns into a fatal police shooting.
What's up?
Being assaulted me. You're trespassing my property.
Okay, where's the knife?
I can't give you that.
Okay, I need you to take it out of your pocket and give it to me right now.
Do that.
Sir, I need you to take the knife out of your pocket.
It's my property.
Sir, I need you to take the knife out of your pocket.
I would be careful with you.
Yeah, no!
Shots fired, 0834. We're notifying state police.
Get up, everyone! I need people to back up! Back up!
I'm retired.
I need everyone to back up!
This is the guy he attacked before. All right, we'll do that on the media.
Aaron, you need to get the knife away from him so we can get him. Okay, you got it. Aaron. Back, okay. Okay, I need to get the book bag out of my passenger side seat. The book bag out of the passenger side seat.
Yeah, we just called for ambulance. You can give him another call.
Yes, please, please.
Call a bar or Swain. We got that.
I need somebody's shirt. Can somebody give me their shirt, please? Where did you hit him, Aaron? In the chest?
Yeah, right there.
What else do you need?
Sir. Unconscious, not breathing.
What do you need?
I need something for the pressure.
Can you open my book bag? Yes, it's picked up.
What do you mean, ma'am?
Do you need me to hold the pressure while you look?
Yeah, can you hold it?
Yes, absolutely.
Hold the pressure as hard as you can.
Come on, man. Hang in there. Okay, hang in there.
How many times you hit him? 2 times to the chest.
Come on, man. Hang in there.
Just hit a big chest.
Hang in there, man. Hang in there. EMS is on the way.
Quick call. Yeah.
Get a hand?
He's not conscious, not breathing.
He's breathing a little. He just took like 4 breaths.
They're not real breaths.
Let's just start doing some
I have
pressure.
yep, you want to start CPR?
I'm gonna have you move your hand.
You already have it.
All the street firefighter if you need me to step in.
Oh, you're good. Just. Hey, Corey. Traumatic arrest, stab wounds to the heart.
No, it's gunshot wounds.
Gunshot wounds.
Gunshot wounds?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Well, get the monitor. Yep.
Ryan, take a pair of gloves too.
I'll try it. Keep going.
I don't know if I got hit.
Thank you.
Are you okay?
No, I don't know if I got hit with the knife.
Okay. All right.
All right, you guys want to take your time?
I need to get away. I need to get over here, please. I need to get over here, please.
He didn't get you, did he?
I don't know. I don't have
Joshua Kavoda was transported to the hospital, but he did not survive. He was pronounced dead shortly after from gunshot wounds to the chest. An investigation later determined the officer's actions were legally justified, citing an immediate threat, so no charges were filed. A tragic reminder of how fast situations like this can escalate. For more real body cam breakdowns, consider subscribing.